Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Ansari and in this video I am going to solve a problem statement in which we have to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of hours he or she studies. And the actual question is what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. So to solve this problem we will use simple linear regression. First we will import all the required libraries pandas, numpy, matplotlib. Then we will load the data into pandas data frame. The data frame looks like this. It has two columns, hours, scores. Now we will do exploratory data analysis uh, of the data, and then we will plot the all the data points on two-dimensional plane. Percentage score is plotted on y-axis and hours studied is plotted on x-axis. From this visualization we can see percentage score is directly proportional to hours studied. So we will use simple linear regression to solve this problem statement. So first we will define x and y. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable, which will be used for model training. Now we will split our data into using train test split, and such that test data will be 20% and training data will be 80%. Now we will do model training. First we will import a linear regression model from scikit-learn, and then we will make a object of that model. Then we will fit the data x train and y train for training the model. After training we will plot the line which represents our model. This red line represents our model and blue points represents our provided data. Now we will do prediction. After prediction we will compare the actual percentage and predicted percentage. In the first row you can see that the actual percentage is 20 and our predicted percentage is 16. Now we will evaluate our model to see how much accurate it is. So for evaluation there are different metrics like mean absolute error, mean square error, R2 score. So we can see that R2 score of our model is 0.94, which is pretty well. And after that we will do final prediction of a percentage of a student studying for 9.5 hours. So after prediction we found that a student who studies for 9.25 hours will get 92.91 percentage. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.